Alright, so I'm going to run through one more example from worksheet 7.3, the limiting reagent worksheet. Number 2, we're starting with our balanced chemical equation up front, or up top where magnesium is reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce magnesium chloride and hydrogen. So in this problem it is asking what volume of hydrogen will be produced from 50 grams of magnesium and 75 grams of HCl. So I'm going to take each of my reactants and again go to my product. What is my product? Volume of hydrogen. So I'm going to start with 50 grams of magnesium and at liters of hydrogen. So just do stoichiometry there, going from grams to moles, moles to moles using my mole ratio 1 to 1, and then from moles of hydrogen to liters of hydrogen. Difference here again being 22.4 on top, not the molar mass, because I'm ending at liters. Do the same thing with HCl, going from HCl to liters of hydrogen. First dividing by the molar mass, 1 mole going on top, 2 moles of HCl on bottom, 1 mole of H2 on top. My mole ratio I got from my balanced chemical equation, again HCl to hydrogen. And then going to liters with 22.4 going on top again instead of the molar mass because I'm ending at liters of hydrogen. So this is what each reactant would produce or could produce. Well, the limiting reactant, remember, is going to be whichever one produces less. So which one produces less? Hopefully you said HCl. That produces 23 liters, which is less than 46.1, which makes HCl my limiting reagent or reactant. Alright, so once I have my limiting reactant, that's part A, I'm going to take my limiting reactant for part B and see how much of my other reactant would be left over. So I'm going to start with my limiting reactant, and I'm going to go to my other reactant, Mg. And in this case, because I'm given grams of Mg, I'm going to go to grams of Mg as well. So I go from grams of HCl to moles of HCl, moles of HCl to moles of Mg. Again, that ratio 2 to 1 here. So 2 going on bottom, 1 going on top. And my grams of Mg on top. So I end at 25 grams of Mg. How much Mg did I start with? Well, you get that from the initial problem, 50. I need 25 is what I have. So therefore, 25 grams is left over. Okay, this 25 grams of Mg is what is needed. I shouldn't say left over here. So I subtract the 2, and this is what I'm going to have left over. All right, so hopefully that helped out, gave you another example of how to do a problem from 7.3. The answer key is posted. Please complete the rest of this worksheet before picking up 7.4. Good luck.